All right, let us begin. Hello everyone and welcome to BHT Studios. Today we'll be taking a look at this bag right here, the Billingham. It's the Stowaway series. This one here is called the Pola. This is a pretty little bag. It's kind of, I have not really seen these out and about. I'm actually surprised that these aren't more popular. Maybe they are in different parts of the world, maybe like Japan or in Europe. Have not seen this in person out and about here in North America, but this is actually a great 2.25 liters, so it's a smallish bag, but I'm going to show you how, if you like to be like an EDC kind of carry person and you also have a camera, this is like a M11P with a 35 Apple Summicron. If you're out and about, oh, and this is my limited edition BHT, see that little BHT logo embossed in there, coupe rope strap here, so I'll have links down below if you want to buy it. This bag here, beautiful, beautiful bag. It's part of the Stowaway series. There's 3 versions of it. This one here is the Pola. The shape is right for me. The other 2, they're basically just dimensionally just a little bit different, but they're all basically built the same way. So this one here is in that sage fiber night. So it's that 3-layer material that is proprietary to Billingham. These are all made in the UK, all brass hardware, nice canvas, kind of these little connector pieces here. Really nice leather, great stitching work. You can see all that through there. And inside here, I'll just grab the strap here. Even the way the strap goes on, this strap does come with it. Really classy, that nice kind of the cotton webbing strap. And then the way this kind of goes on is you just loop it through here, push it through there, and you just kind of pull it, and now it's locked in. And you can add the optional little padding if you wanted to, but for a 2.25 liter size, not necessary. But there you go. And when I did my product photography for my new strap, I did actually match it up, these two here, M11P with my strap and this, and it just looks fantastic. I'll insert pictures, but it just looks fantastic together. And just when I leave the house and I go on about, I like the way this hangs. Some slings kind of are more like bum bags, and they kind of, you know, like the strap goes like sideways like this. And so when you have it on underneath your arm, it kind of hangs weird. This hangs really nicely over your shoulder. And so let's look at the front here. I like this front little shallow pocket here. It doesn't go, you know, like some zippers, they go too far down. What I would put in here is like pens, flashlight, anything kind of a quick access would go in here. And then you do have to kind of pull this up and over. And now you have this dump pocket in here. It's not overly dimensioned, but filters, maybe your wallet or something, but it would be reasonably secure because it is behind this latch. But you do have the side access pocket here, but it's not the same as this. See that? They don't touch. And so something you want quick access, I've seen people put like their phones in here. I wouldn't put my phone in here, but maybe some people will want to put their phone or their wallet or something where they want kind of, when this is all closed up, they still want to access something very quickly. So up to you, however you want to use it. I think what I basically did is just put my little plotter, this is my plotter mini 5, nice and small, easy fits in here. This kind of acts like my wallet. I have my credit cards in here, I have some cash in here. So it's just small enough, quickly access it, side zip over here. And then anything else, again, really secure, you can put it in here. And then this main section here is just a large cavity. Nothing really special in here. So if you do have something, I mean, like if you want to throw a camera in here, you can, right? There's lots of space in here. I personally think if you have pouches, this is how you would use it. Or if you have a DOP kit or something like that. This DOP kit, Peak Design, just is a little too, it's not tall enough to hold this. Also, my favorite 5-liter Wotancraft Cordura shopping bag, it doesn't fit in here. See, it's a little bit too tall here, but maybe one of the other stowaways it will work, so we'll find out soon enough. But things like my journal will easily fit in here, and then with that, I can just slip in my camera like this, or inside here, I have my, this is another Wotancraft camera pouch, but here's my Deluxe 8 is tucked in here. So this could easily fit in here, or like another film camera can fit in here. This is my Anchor battery pack, so I can fit that in here. So it's just basically kind of light carry. You're not overly carrying too much. You're going shopping, you carry this crossbody, you're trying to keep everything light as possible. Maybe you can throw in a lens in here. This really forced me to like what is my priority to carry. And there are 2 other pockets on the side here. So again, maybe a flashlight, maybe some pens or something like that. Something you need quick access to. And then there is a back little dump pocket. Nice, look at that stitching. Nice little leather piping here and stitching. And you can take this off and put a belt loop through here. So if you are, I don't know, if you're in the jungle, this is kind of like jungly kind of, and you just have a big belt and you want quick access to whatever. But I could also see how you can use this on a plane. This is where you keep your passport and all your basic essentials on you like this. And this is small enough, you could probably kind of put it between the seats and they won't ask you to put this underneath your front seat. So this is a really handsome bag. I enjoy using it. And so let's just see if I can fit more in the other bags. I'll be right back. All right, let's make some space here. I have not even used these. I still have the tags on these. Now this one here is called the Compact. They're all part of the Stowaway series. And this one here is called the Airline. And so there you go. There's all 3 of them. Compact, Pola, Airline. These are both 2.25 liters and this is 2 liters. So this is the smallest. This one here is narrower than this one, but about the same height. Or this one here is definitely narrower than the Pola, but it's a little bit taller. So you want the smallest of the stowaways, it's definitely going to be the Compact. And if you want the biggest, they're both 2.25. It comes down to, do you want square or do you want rectangle? And so I have not even tried this. So, and here, so you can tell, look, I haven't even used the strap here. But I'm going to grab right here this Wotan Craft shopping bag. And I have a feeling, because this is slightly taller, there you go. It actually will fit. Look at that. It will fit vertically in the Airline right here. And also, I'm going to check something else. This is my wash pouch, Peak Design wash pouch, but I do use it as my DOP kit. Now you saw it won't fit in my Pola, but will it fit in here? Let's see here. It just fits. Look at that. So, in terms of height, if you want something tall and thin, it will fit inside the Airline. Look at that. And so I actually promised Chris Meets Chris this one here. And this one here, Camera Girl wants. So I am going to stick to this one here because I think overall it's more versatile. But if you do have taller kind of things, then the Airline's the way to go, but it's not going to be as wide. You saw how I dropped in like cameras sideways? It's not going to happen with this one, so you can tell it's definitely thinner. If you look online, you'll see the dimension, but you can see how this is, I've lined this up to here. Look at that, right? You got maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches extra width on the Pola here. So yeah, these are all beautiful bags. I'm going to just take this out here. Again, these straps do come with it. Beautiful straps. Let's close it up here. Move some of these things in the back here so they don't flop around. Just give me a second here, guys, as I organize. Now, as I mentioned, they're all identical in terms of how they work. Like top lip zipper, side zipper, and then when you open up, there's another drop pocket. You have the back pocket here, you have the loops for your belt, and then the main compartment. So they're basically, as you can see, they're all designed exactly the same. Finishes are all different. This is, I think, the Sage is the only Fibronite material available in these stowaways. Everything else is going to be the real canvas. And so this is still 3 layers. It still has that butyl rubber layer in the middle, which is fully weatherproof, but the zips aren't weatherproof. So it's a beautiful material. You're not going to get waterproofing because the zipper here. So that's maybe one thing is I wish this was waterproof here, Billingham. I think that would be kind of cool. Then the main compartment will be sealed. This lid here will also keep whatever's inside here waterproof, not this zipper here. So this zipper, and hey, might as well. This zipper, have it all waterproof. But you got the quick dump pocket back here. So if you have receipts or something, you just want to quickly just put something away fast. You have this back part here. Take the straps off. You can use this around your belt. And maybe these two will make more sense. Maybe this one here makes more sense. Maybe on your hip. You may not be able to see it, but there are belt loops over here as well. And also this black. This is a chocolate leather with black canvas. This is chocolate leather with navy canvas. And then this is chocolate leather with fiber night sage. And so with the canvas, you will get, it will kind of wear out. It has that, it is wax canvas, so it will start to show wear, which, you know, like an old pair of jeans, some people like when bags start to age and leather starts to age. If you don't want it to age, in the Stowaway series, you don't have a choice. You have to get the sage color, which to me, this is my favorite Billingham color. And so here we go. Here are the 3 Stowaways. Let me know which one you like or if you have any questions, but I'm gonna do what's in my bag. I did show one when I was up in Whistler. I shot the video. I haven't posted it yet. I don't know if... What do you guys think? I think with this and this, for vacation, this is probably something that more people would appreciate. It's already posted. I'll put it down below, but I haven't posted it. I use it out and about when I'm out with camera girl. I tend to carry too much stuff, and so I thought maybe on this vacation I wouldn't carry so much, and it was kind of freeing. It's kind of like when people do minimalism. It was nice to have this minimal bag, not to worry to have to carry too much gear. So I was forced to take one camera around my neck, one small point shoot, either film or digital, inside my bag here, and just kept everything, you know, like no water bottle, nothing overly large. It's kind of freeing. So when I leave the house, 2.25 liters, but it's a really efficient use of space. And so really enjoy using this. You'll probably see me out and about with this when I am trying to be as minimal as possible. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, my strap here with coupe, it's called Orange Armor. M11P with a 35 Apo. We'll talk to you soon, and happy shooting. Peace.